is everybody? Welcome back to our channel. We are here at the farm, obviously. I'm in the camper. Today is Saturday, the 27th? I'm not sure. Saturday after Thanksgiving. So Saturday, Jason and I had a bunch of running to do this morning. We left here about 9 o'clock this morning. And we're just getting back and it's going on 3 o'clock. So half of the day is gone, but we are going to go over to the house and start working and get done as much as we can. We did have to, well, Jason made a trip to the hardware store earlier today. We had to pick up a few things there, so we'll go over. I'll show you what we picked up, and we can just go over what our plan is. Things are constantly changing. Nothing is ever in writing. We do it as we go. So let's go get started. Jason picked me up a present this week, and it was grittier sandpaper. I was so excited.
It's a good gift from your husband.
Yeah, it is.
What wife doesn't want grittier sandpaper?
I don't know. I didn't even have to ask. He knew I wanted it though. I guess I can show you guys what we picked up from the hardware store this morning. Big buddy heater to stay warm in the house because it was cold in there. We got a halogen work light because all of ours are junk. So we picked that up so we can see and work past 5 o'clock. And I guess some propane and whatever this is, a wood chisel set. I think Jason's probably gonna continue working on the framing, and I will continue working on the sanding of the beams. That's the plan. Mask on. Let's go. So this is what we started with, a sandpaper, P150. And that did really well at first, but then once I got to some places where the paint was a little bit thicker, it was taking a lot more and slowing me way down. So I started with the 150, but now we're switching to P50. So it's a lot grittier, and it hopefully will speed things up a bit. And I'm gonna keep sanding. Having a hard time. Not really square.
Definitely not square. I don't remember how I got all these scars.
Hey guys, it is the next day, it's Sunday. I gotta tell you guys something. This mattress here, it sucks. It is not comfortable at all. We're gonna go get a new mattress today, so let's go. We're back from getting our mattress. We got a new one. I'm really excited for it.
Me too. That mattress is gonna be awesome.
I'm gonna go make some pizza. I'll make some pizza. Let's go. Need a pizza shell, butter, and toppings.
Lots of cheese.
Hi guys, it's the next day, Monday, the 28th of November. I just got off of work. I think it's probably about 5 o'clock now. And Jason, I know he ran in town earlier to the hardware store to get some supplies because we're working on my office. So I got my work clothes on and I'm gonna go help him out for a few hours. I'll have to show you guys where we're at. So we were in here, what day was it? Friday. Jason was finishing up the framing and I was sanding the beams in the ceiling. So I'm down to the last couple beams.
The bad spots in the woods and the paint, just 150 years of being lived in. We gotta strip it all down if we're gonna leave the ceiling exposed. Then we're gonna get your receptacles and everything where they need to be.
Oh, so we're gonna start on electric.
Yeah, we're gonna start the wiring. And we already have the insulation.
Yeah, he picked that up today.
Majority of the... That was a close one.
Yeah, it was.
Better not have been my little buck.
Yeah, don't shoot our baby buck. Cooper's scared. Look at him, he's coming running. Mom!
Come on, buddy.
All right.
Come on.
He doesn't like getting shots or lightning.
That's
fireworks.
close.
All right, well, I thought I was gonna finish sanding, but I guess I'm gonna help with starting the receptacles.
I think it would look better if we went from window to window. Because if we don't, you're going to end up with a 9-inch cut. A 10-inch cut. And then you would have to do a 5 on that side and 5 on this side to make it look right.
Yeah.
You know?
Good thing we don't have smoke alarms.
That fucking smell is garbage.
There we go. So, I thought I was sanding and that didn't happen. Jason had other plans in mind, so what we did was put in our receptacle boxes. We got one here, one here, one over here, one over there, and then one for the switch.
There's gonna go 2 in the wood wall over here.
Yeah, we're gonna put in a bookshelf over there.
If you can see the lines, that's where the shelves are gonna be.
A built-in
Yeah, you can see
bookshelf.
And then cabinets in the bottom.
See them. And then we got the ones over here. And then he's anxious to start wiring tomorrow, right?
More electrical work.
Mhm.
Yeah, we're gonna string some wires tomorrow.
So he'll do that, and before we leave, I'll show you what he gets done there.
And I'll probably do some planing tomorrow too.
All right, we're done for the night. Time to go. Hi guys, it is now Tuesday. I just finished working. Jason has been working over in the house all day, and he was supposed to take a camera with him, and he walked out the door this morning with the garbage, and I haven't seen him since. So I'm gonna have to take you guys over there and show you what he's accomplished today. But I just got off of work. I have got to get this place cleaned up and picked up because we are going back to the house tonight. That way I can take care of the cats and make sure they're okay and check on the house. And then I'd imagine we'll probably be coming back down tomorrow evening. And at least going home, I'll be able to get a load of laundry done. Look at her. I left this door open, our pantry door, and their treats are in there. What are you doing? And she's just in there helping herself. Naya, excuse me. Okay, grab it and go. Do you want one too? You want to get one? Come on, go ahead. You can get one too. Get your nummy. Good boy. Those two. All right, we're gonna clean up a little bit, and then once I get everything packed up, I will take you over and you can see if Jason got the wiring done today. I don't have a very good light. Got some wiring done though. Switch. Did you get this? Are you in here? Did you get it or into the box?
To the box. I have to plug it into the box.
Yeah? Is this room done then, or?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go big. All the outlets are wired in.
I just wired in a temporary light.
Oh, cool. And a temporary light. That's awesome.
But where it comes up, we'll split here for your track lighting. There'll be a junction box that goes in there. But until this is all sanded and done, there's no point in doing it.
Yeah.
So that won't stay.
Okay.
And whatever we cut off down there, we'll just leave like that. So as room to room to room, we can just wire in temporary light real quick.
Yeah, and that might even work. Couldn't you wire a fan in there if we...
Yeah, your fan could go there, but the only problem is your fan switch is over here.
Oh, okay.
Those are three-way switches. I need 30 feet of ground wire to go in between the boxes. So they're in, they're done. I just need to get that ground wire capped.
Oh, okay.
Here. It'll come in the box, it'll get wire capped, it'll run down, it'll go to that box, and it'll get wire capped.
Alright, that's awesome. Cool. Got it all wired in. Good job, babe. Her battery's gonna die, so
Ready for insulation.
next is insulation. I can't wait. It makes me sad that you're over here working all week and I gotta work in there. I wish I could be out here helping.
Somebody has to make money.
Yeah.
Somebody
At least you're off to be able to have time to do it rather than just one day on the weekend though, so. Sorry guys, my battery died as I was trying to say goodbye. So we time warped. We're at the house now. Here's my Wiley. My Wiley. This is Wiley. But I'm gonna get the cats taken care of and get done what we need to do here. Work from here at the house tomorrow. And then I believe we're gonna be going back down to the farm. But just wanted to come on and say thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Please subscribe. We really want to try and grow this channel. So that's a free way to help support us and our channel. But we really appreciate you guys watching and following along. I'm so excited to finally be working in the farmhouse and getting my office started. I can't believe we're working in the house. It's so crazy. So excited to be able to just watch these videos years from now and just see the evolution of it all. That's what I'm looking forward to the most. But thanks for following along, and I guess we'll see you in the next one. Bye.